guys, so today we are going to be making a firework for bonfire night, but I know today's not bonfire night, it was yesterday. So first you need is this, and then you need this, and then you need if you don't have tape, or you don't have like hot glue gun or anything, if you want, you can use Play-Doh, because I don't have any of them right now. And if you want, you can use Play-Doh for like taping that, and I'll show you how to use it. And you need scissors, but remember, you have to ask permission for your parents if you're allowed to use scissors. So first we need this. Second, now we need this. So when we have this, we just have, let me open the Play-Doh. There we go. Fresh Play-Doh. And then we're just going to take a wee bit, like this much, and then put it inside. And I forgot to tell you we need paper too. And then we have this. We're gonna put it, and okay, but now when you roll it and there's like the space to add tape, you use the Play-Doh, you put it on there, and then you roll it, okay, and then put the end over there. And look, it's sticked. It will be showing a wee bit, but it's fine. At least it's sticked. And there we go. We have made this. Second, we need pepper. So you have to this is paper. We don't need paper. We need pipe cleaners now, but I mean my way. So you would see just like this. I already made my, wait, let me get my Christmas tree that has a lot of pipe cleaners on it. I don't need it for now. So this is what it is. So we can just use this. These are the pipe cleaners already made, but don't worry, I'll show you how to make pipe cleaners. So I'll just destroy this. And then you need a tube like this, or you could use a pencil. I mean like a Sharpie or something. So you know this, you put it here, and then you look, we done it. There it is, it's sticked. Now we just do that, and then we do pull, you just take off. Now it's off. And if it's a wee bit, if it's like that, just stretch it a wee bit. And now it's a pipe cleaner. And then, up here, just push it up. And then here's the thing that you're gonna put there. But we don't need that now. So we're just gonna leave that there. So now we need paper. So we just have to cut this in half. Remember, ask your parents. Okay. So you need one piece of paper. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut like this. Actually, let's cut in the white bit. So you're gonna cut a square. So you're gonna cut a square like this. This is too small, so I'm gonna make it a little bit more bigger. Okay, now You have to make a triangle, but I don't know how to make one. But there it goes. There it is. I think I just made it. So I done a mistake. I have to make a really big one. And this is supposed to be the size. I mean, the size. You're gonna. It's really hard to make. So yeah, so we done it. Just need a few pieces of paper, this, and now I just have to push that, and then we have to like do that, and then we put paper over there, and then look, it's like that, and then you just squeeze it in. That's your firework. And then now when you made that, just have to get your pipe cleaners. I showed you how to make it. So then you get your Play-Doh, and then you just attach it to that. Put your Play-Doh in there, and then attach the pipe cleaner in there. But add 2 layers, so when you put the pipe cleaner on, it might not stick. Get another piece, and then you stick on. Okay, now it's like there. We just need 2 more pieces of it, and then yeah, we're done. So just keep doing it, and still can be. It comes off easily. So I mean, don't keep playing with it, or like the things break. So don't keep playing with it. Just leave it like for a day, and it'll like be fine, and then play with it. And you need 3 pipe cleaners, just to let you know. Okay, now see, my ones keep breaking because it's not, Play-Doh's not really good thing to use, but I don't know. Okay, now all of them broke, but that's fine. Now I just add it there. Now I'm just gonna add a lot now, because so it doesn't. My green ones keep breaking. Okay, finally. Now I just need 1 more right in there. Okay. Please don't break. Okay, guys. Now you have like this. This fell out, so now you just get a wee bit more Play-Doh if this is keep falling out. And you add it to this place. And then you just stick it, try to stick it. I hope it works. Okay, now just like that. Oh no! So that's how you, wait guys, sorry. It's a really hard to make. It looks easy because it's like, but the pipe cleaner part gets hard if you have Play-Doh. Okay guys, this is what it's supposed to look like if you like made it. But just wait guys, just don't want. Okay, now. Right guys, so this is how you make a firework. I hope you liked the video. So wait guys, and if your thingies keep breaking, just use tape. Wait guys. So guys, that's how you make a firework. So I got to watch the video. Bye.